Shall we check for eggs, ladies? Nope, none just sitting around. The younger ones like to lay eggs wherever. Nope. Oh, there's one in that one, and there's one in that one. Cool. I think he's pretty. Considering breeding my own. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, let's take the eggs in and wash them.